Hello students, previously as you know our last chapter, that is introduction to OpenOffice CLC, that was end, and you have to solve the exercise by yourself. If you have any query then you can ask me. Okay, now we are going to learn our next chapter, but before that chapter I want to just ask you something. For example, I am asking you that just search about the OpenOffice CLC. Just tell me more about the OpenOffice CLC. That time what will you do? You just open the browser, type the OpenOffice CLC and just give me the answer. Nextly, when I ask you tell me what is the charts, what is the functions, then what should you do? Again, you just open the Google or the browser and search that thing. So for example, I am searching, I have a browser Google Chrome, and for example I am going to search the thing that I already told you, that charts. If you want to search about the charts, then what you should do? I just first of all open the Google Chrome and just type the charts. If I have already the Google, so I just directly search the charts. Okay, so this is the thing, and I'm directly, when I click on this, then you can see the suggestions. Even if you want to see the images, then you can also see the images. So this is the basic things that you already know. अगर आपको कुछ जानना है किसी के बारे में तो आप कुछ नहीं करोगे, गूगल में जाओगे, ब्राउज़र में जाओगे और उसको डायरेक्टली सर्च करोगे. बट हैव यू थिंक ऑफ वंस हाउ इज़ इट मेड? आप कुछ भी लिखते हो तो कुछ भी सर्च होके आ जाता है, मीन्स उस टॉपिक के रिलेटेड. हाउ इज़ इट पॉसिबल? ये कैसे हुआ? मैं तो यहाँ पे कुछ और लिखूँगी. अभी के लिए मैंने लिखा, चलो यहाँ पे फंक्शंस. सी, इट्स अबाउट द फंक्शंस. सो हाउ इज़ इट पॉसिबल? मतलब आप कुछ भी सर्च करते हो, नॉट इवन दिस टू वर्ड्स, यू कैन सर्च एनीथिंग. यू कैन सर्च अबाउट our school also. When you are searching these things, then it will be automatically see the results to you, right? So this is the thing, basic thing that you already know, but you don't know how it makes. ये कैसे बनता है ये आपको नहीं पता. So our next chapter is introduction to HTML. Okay, now we are going to learn how the output will become. मतलब अभी आप कुछ भी सर्च करते हो तो वो कैसे आपको डिस्प्ले होता है. सो फर्स्ट HTML. ओके, अगर आप यहाँ पे देखोगे ब्राउज़र में कि ये यहाँ पे जो सर्च रिजल्ट आया, फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम सर्चिंग दिस फर्स्ट वन, आई एम क्लिकिंग ऑन दिस एंड यू कैन सी द रिजल्ट. बट व्हेन आई राइट क्लिक ऑन दिस and go to the inspect means you give the details of this current page. When I click on this, then you can see that here are the some of the functions given there. When I click on the different functions, then you can see it will be showing, the highlight will be showing. So this is the basic thing, means if you want to make a website, if you want to write about the some of the keywords, then you have to be make a certain use the some of the functions, some of the text and some of the languages. So this is the one basic language that you have to already you have to be learned, that is the HTML. Okay, HTML is the simple and the basic language that you use to make site the website. So what is the HTML? HTML is simply used to make a website, and it is the easiest way to make the website. First of all, what a full form of HTML is: hypertext markup language. So this is the full form that you have to be compulsory remember, and in the exam it's a compulsory, the full form will be asked to you. Okay, HTML means hypertext markup language, and it's a simple language that used to make the website. So first of all, what is the website, what is the web page, what is the web browser? Three things you have to be just know, otherwise you cannot be use the HTML. First of all, what is the HTML that you learn? This is a simple language, but where is it used? First of all, मुझे HTML means I want to search anything, then what I have to do? I just open the browser. So first of all, what is the web browser? The web browser is the thing that that is a one type of software that contains the basic information, like also contain the search engines, also contain the such informations. So web browser is the simple thing that we already see. Okay, so web browser or simply browser is a program or application used to access or view websites. In the main role, the web browser is display the web page according to the format defined. It's a HTML code. Means it's this is the easy way the HTML used, but some more complex language is also used to make the websites. The web browser can understand and interpret HTML. Most commonly used web browser include Microsoft Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, and Mozilla Firefox. Already you know examples of the web browser. Okay, in the web browser, first I open the web browser, then what I should do, I open the one page that is called the web page that you already learned the last year, sorry. So firstly I open the web page. What is the web page? A web page is the single HTML document and it accessed by the entering URL address and many content, text, graphics, audio, video, hyperlinks and other web pages, files. Every web page have a unique URL address. Already you know web page is what. Okay, simply when you open the browser, then one page will be displayed for the first search, that is called the web page. Website is a collection of web page containing the text, images, all type of multimedia files contained to the each other through the hyperlinks. Each website has the starting web page called the home page, and it is very first page that opens when you visit the website. I just see you the example directly. I am here going to search. Okay, I just search the function and I see the one page that is called the web page. First page जो भी आपको डिस्प्ले होगा, या फिर आप उसके नीचे जाके देखोगे तो बहुत सारे पेजेस यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज द सॉल्विंग फंक्शन, फंक्शन, एब्जेक्ट्रा types of functions, means many more pages are there. So this is called the web pages. Website, these are when you search any function, any keyword, then there are many different texts in front of you. Videos are here, also images can be searched for you. So this is the website. So this thing you have to be just learn. And nextly we learned how to use the HTML, how to make the website, what is the structure of HTML. Okay, so here I am going to end my session. And sorry, I just forgot, HTML had made two parts, hypertext and the markup language. Text means the simple text that you learn, and language is consists the text used to mark the text contain the inside them being the certain type. ओके, जैसे जैसे हम आगे जाएंगे ऑलरेडी आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. अभी थोड़ा कन्फ्यूजन होगा, बट व्हेन वी गो अहेड देन यू कैन अंडरस्टूड व्हाट इज़ द HTML. ओके, सो हियर आई वांट टू एंड द सेशन. थैंक यू सो मच.